Today we're going to make some high protein meals. We're going to share 3 recipes with you. They're real quick. On average, I think it took around 15 to 20 minutes to put them all together. But more importantly, they're nutritious, they're wholesome, and they're low in calorie. So let's get to it. Our first recipe is very simple, yet flavorful. To begin with, fillet the chicken breast, roll it with a rolling pin and stretch the meat out. This will help cook the chicken faster and evenly while browning it simultaneously. Cut them into 1 cm thick pieces. Marinate the chicken with smoked paprika, pepper, salt, 1/4 teaspoon olive oil, 1/2 teaspoon of lemon juice. Mix it well and set it aside. Peel and grate ginger. Crush the garlic cloves with the back of a knife. Peel and slice them. Chop the spring onions and separate the stalk from the onions. Separate the leaves from the thyme sprigs or use dried thyme. Heat a pan on medium flame and add the olive oil. Add the garlic and ginger. Fry them until fragrant. Add the onion bulbs, thyme, and give it a nice stir. Add the marinated chicken and spread evenly. After the chicken starts turning white, stir until it's done, which will take about 5 to 7 minutes. Add the pepper. Adjust the salt. Add 1.5 teaspoon of lemon juice and add the greens from the spring onions. Bring it all together, take it off the heat, plate it and serve it with salad. Our next recipe is a classic chicken soup. If you decide to add pasta, I'd recommend to cook it separately and add it towards the end. Peel and finely chop the carrots. Finely chop the celery. Slit a green chili lengthwise. Crush ginger and garlic. And lastly, chop the spring onions and separate the stalk from the onion bulbs. Heat a pot and add olive oil to it. Lightly sear the chicken about 30 seconds on each side. Once done, set aside. In the same oil, add the garlic and ginger, sage, bay leaves, cloves and peppercorn. Fry for a minute or 2. Once the raw smell of the garlic and ginger is gone and the oil is infused with its flavor, collect the herbs and the spices and put them in a spice mesh and set aside. To the same oil, add the finely chopped carrots and celery. Add the onion bulbs and give it a quick stir. Add the chicken stock powder or bouillon cube, salt to taste, a teaspoon of crushed pepper, and bring it all together. Add 750 ml of water, a green chili, the chicken, and the spice mesh goes last. Cover and cook for 12 to 15 minutes. Once done, separate the spice mesh and the chili. Remove the chicken and slice it up. Add the sliced up chicken back into the soup. Garnish with stalk of spring onions, and there you have it, a warm bowl of soup ready to enjoy. This next recipe is my mother's absolute favorite. For best results, I recommend to use a fillet piece of chicken breast. You'll need a couple of leaves of baby spinach and asparagus. Chop them up coarsely. Heat a pan and add olive oil to it. While that's heating up, mix the mentioned ingredients together and coat the fillet well. Once the oil has heated up, add the fillet to the pan. Sear until the crust is lightly browned on both sides and set aside. In the same pan, add garlic, chicken stock, freshly squeezed orange juice. Add the asparagus dried rosemary, adjust the salt and pepper, bring it all together. Add the chicken and cover and cook until done. Remove from heat and let's begin on the couscous. Add 1/4 cup of couscous pearls to 1/4 cup of boiling water. Add blanched spinach, 1/4 teaspoon of lemon juice, a pinch of salt. Cover and cook until done for about a minute. When done, plate and serve.
And that's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. It always means a lot when you do. Thanks for stopping by. I'll see you in the next video.